What's up, Dreamedia family? This is Zach. I'm out here with Chase Williams, our Colorado Regional Sales Manager, and we just finished up this killer outdoor entertainment space that features automation as well as outdoor equipment for audio and video. Chase, I want you to take them through the entire layout and describe why we recommended this layout, how we were able to design the system to cut back on noise pollution for the neighbors, even into town. I mean, gosh, whenever we first set these up and these were just firing straight out, the audio was reverbing all the way down the valley and my neighbors 10 houses down could hear it. So take them through, tell them why this system kicks butt.
Yeah, you want to enjoy good, clean, powerful audio without disturbing your neighbors. So here, these URC 6.5-inch outdoor speakers are pointed down. Okay, now this is flanked by our Focal 4.1 LITTORA system that's pointed back in towards the seating area. And this configuration keeps sound from being needlessly pushed to our neighbors and keeps it to where we can run the whole system at a nice, comfortable, clean volume without stressing our equipment and without bothering those around us. We can sit out here and run this all day, not receive a complaint from that house that's just right there. So in this area here, everything is controlled via URC through our touchpad. It's currently running Sonos, but video control, he can answer his Ring doorbell from out here if he's sitting on the back porch and grilling and somebody comes to the front door. We have a 75-inch terrace, outdoor TV, it's fully waterproofed. We didn't have the cleanest dialogue and it was really battling with our speaker system, so we added the terrace soundbar here to really add some clarity and presence to this seating area so that you can enjoy TV, audio here with clean dialogue, whether or not people are listening to audio in the fireplace, in the jacuzzi, out around the back of the yard. It's really an immersive experience. As you walk through the space, this soundbar is really present right here on this couch area, but does not take away from the audio experience that the Focals are providing to the jacuzzi and the fireplace. So it's a really immersive experience. There can be 3-4 different parties happening, different music. Everyone can run the same thing at the same time, or everyone can do their own thing, and no one's really in each other's way. No one's cranking speakers to fight with each other. It's a really comfortable listening environment with clean audio, and that was our goal here. As an extension of the hot tub and TV area and Focal LITTORA system, we've got the Focal Rock speakers over here that really add an ambiance to this fireplace without drowning it out. They're good, clean audio. It wraps around. It's a full outdoor patio experience that you can just transition from. And this actually extends to every room in the house. As you walk through the house, this immersive experience takes precedent in there as well. And the vibe really never stops around here. So you can listen to music all day long, very comfortable, not bothering anyone, clean audio. It's honestly a dream setup. This system sounds like your cup of tea. This isn't it. We do full home integration through URC, like that touchpad that we talked about. We can control your lights, your shades, your audio and video. We can control your HVAC, your doorbell, security camera. Everything in the home can be wrapped into one, controlled right through your phone app, on your touchscreen, a remote, voice control. The possibilities are endless. We are now very proud to serve the entire state of Colorado and look forward to earning your business.